Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious cheese bread. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of warm milk, 1 tablespoon of active dry yeast, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Don't forget 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get our dough started. In a large bowl, combine the warm milk, yeast, and sugar. Let this mixture sit for about 5 minutes until it becomes nice and foamy. Then, stir in the flour, salt, and melted butter until a shaggy dough forms. Transfer it to a floured surface and knead for 5 to 7 minutes until smooth. Next, it's time for the star ingredient, cheese. Gently incorporate 1 1/2 cups of your favorite shredded cheese into the dough. Make sure it's evenly distributed throughout. Once the cheese is mixed in, divide the dough into 8 to 10 equal portions. Shape each portion into a round or oblong roll, preparing them for baking. Finally, let's bake our delicious cheese bread. Place your shaped rolls on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and let them rise in a warm spot for about 30 minutes. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 18 to 22 minutes or until golden brown. Serve your warm, cheesy bread immediately and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.